is about applying algebra. So applying algebra. Consider a triangle as below. So we have a triangle. This side is m, this side is 2, this side is 3. Write an expression for its perimeter. Okay, you know that to find the perimeter, we need to add all the sides. This side is m, so we don't know it, it is m, but whatever it is, we got to add all of them up. So the perimeter will be equal to, so the perimeter is equal to m plus 2 plus 3. But you can add 2 and 3 to become 5, so it becomes m plus 5. That is your answer. That is an application of using or applying algebra. As another example, write an expression for the cost of a kilos of apple if each kilo costs $3. Okay, so we want to find an algebraic expression for the case where we have a kilos of apple and each kilo costs $3. So what you need to remember is if it was, say, for example, 2 kilo, you would have paid 2 times 3. If it was 8 kilo, you would have paid 3 times 8. Okay, so in other words, you're timesing the cost for 1 kilo by the number of kilos. Here, we don't know what the number of kilos is, we call it A. So we are going to write it as 3 times A, and you know that we don't need to put the multiplication sign, which becomes 3A. So 3A is the cost of buying 8 kilos of apples. As another example, a telephone company charges 10 cents when you make a call, plus 5 cents for each minute of talk. Alright, so each minute of talk, that's how much they are charging Now, what they ask from us is write, complete the table of values below. Complete the table of values below. Then write an algebraic expression to show the cost of a call which lasts m minutes. Okay, let's have a look at this question. Obviously, they have given us a table of values, so we need to complete it. So the table of values could be like this. This is the length of call. So this is length of call at the top. Length of call. And at the bottom, you have the cost. Okay. If you don't talk, you just start the call and you don't talk at all, 0. Then you talk for 1 minute, you talk for 2 minutes, you talk for 3 and 4 and so on. You go up to 4. Okay. Now, if you talk, you just start the call but we don't talk, you're going to pay 10 cents. If you talk for 1 minute, you're going to pay that 10 cents and 5 cents for every minute. So then you're going to pay 10 plus 5, 15 cents. If you talk for 2 minutes, so you're going to pay this 10 cents anyhow, plus 2 lots of 5 cents. So that's going to be 10 plus that another 10 makes 20 cents. If you talk for 3 minutes, you're going to pay 3 times 5, 15 cents for your call, plus that extra 10, so 25. And finally, if you're making a call for 4 minutes, then it's going to be 4 times 5, which is 20, plus 10, 30 cents. Okay, this table shows the length of call for versus the cost of that call. All right, now we got that. That's for first part. For the second part, they want us to write an expression. So let the length be m. They have told us anyhow, be m. So how much we are going to pay? Then the cost is going to be 10 cents, which you always pay regardless as soon as we start the call, plus because you did 5 minutes, you did m minutes, and each minute costs you 5 cents, so you're going to have 5 times m. Okay, so then the cost will be, and we can drop this multiplication sign, so you get 10 plus 5m, or doesn't matter, you can write it as 5m plus 10. Okay, that is the expression that gives you how much you're going to pay for your call. Now I expand on that and give a question like that. In the previous example, use the expression to find the cost for a call of 12 minutes. So this is an example of substitution. Okay, so your formula or your rule or your expression for the call is that or that. This time they say that m is how much? 12 minutes. So you write m is 12. And using this expression when m is 12. And you're going to put that times back now. So then the cost is going to be 10 plus 5 times m, which is 12. And you got to do the times first. 5 times 12 is 60, so it becomes 10 plus 60, and that gives you 70. So the cost is 70 cents. 70 cents. Thank you for your attention.